Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Northern Wash Pressure Washing. Today we have a house wash and we're also washing a brick patio and a brick walkway. I may have an estimate in town, but we'll see if the person is available or not for today. Today's weather, it's not going to be bad actually. It's going to be a high of 78. However, though, in the mornings now we can start to feel how chilly it is. When we first step out of the house now, it's somewhere in the 60s. And we actually have a low of, I think I saw it said 55 or 56, so that's over a 20-degree difference. So definitely tell that summer is about to start changing into fall. I couldn't be happier because honestly I don't like working too much in the summer. I rather have the weather from the fall and the spring. I could do without the summer weather for sure. Once it starts getting into fall, I feel like it reaches like another high in it as far as services. I feel around 4th of July and once school starts, like it kind of like dips a little bit as far as phone calls and estimates, but then right after that, after everyone goes back to school, it like spikes up again, and then towards the end of the fall heading into winter, it kind of drops down again. What do you think about the weather? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like fall is my favorite season.
Yeah, I would have to agree. It's definitely my favorite season too. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay, I just got done talking with the customer and we went over everything because I did meet with her over a week ago. And you can see we already got all the cones out because you know safety first. And I'll show you what it is that we're going to be washing. We're doing a full house wash with the front porch, and then we're also washing this brick. We are not washing this concrete. Concrete is fine, but we will be washing this front porch right here. She said that she tries to keep up with it and washes it as much as possible. She just uses, I think she said, a sponge, so it's not as dirty, but we're still gonna wash it for her. And then here's how the brick looks again. This is the brick that's next to the garage and it leads to the backyard. But you can see it's exactly the same. And it's just like that all the way to the back. Yeah, it almost looks like a carpet. And then it leads all the way back there. Adrian's trying to hook up the water.
Bro, can you help me?
What's wrong?
I can't get it on.
Here, hold this. Is that tight?
Yeah. There's like no space there.
I know. I think I got it. Oh, this thing is broken.
Yeah.
I wonder if because they did it so tight. As I was saying, I'm gonna be washing all this. Look at how dark it gets over there. And then just finishes up around here. Oh, there's some dogs. Hello. Hello. Morning. I come in peace. Oh my goodness, he stands up. And then here's the back of the house. We're not washing this deck. This deck is nice and clean. She keeps up with it too, she says. Adrian, be careful. Adrian, be careful. And you don't know if the neighbors don't like that. Oh, we're gonna have to water a lot of stuff here. Well, all the way around the house, but especially these, since she has food. Here, I guess vegetables I should say. Ooh, those look good. Wow, look at that. That thing is huge. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and water those, protect that too. This is the last side of the house. Could use that one to water the plants. Man, my feet are soaking wet because of the grass. I told you guys earlier that there's a huge change in temperature now in the morning and throughout the day, like over a 20-degree difference. So the dew in the grass, when I was taking you guys on the walk around, my feet got soaked. I should have just put on my boots. Now I'm gonna have to walk in wet socks all day. Okay, we're back in business. I remember that I usually try to keep extra clothes in the truck, so I got my boots on. I took off the old socks and the shoes and I just left them there to dry. Alright, so my brother's all set up. He's gonna go ahead and start surface cleaning, and I'm gonna tape up the house and start putting soap on. But I think you guys will be more entertained with the time lapse of him washing the brick. So let me set that up for you guys. Bruh, I don't know if I hit record. I was probably talking to myself, but this is how it all came out. This is just the initial rinse. Right now it's prepped for the soap. Got all this. I had to move the garden hose from there to get it a little clean, there we can get some more soap on it. All this. Right here is some really low spots, like that one, and then another one right there that dips. But yeah, we got everything off right now. Adrian's finishing up the front and we're gonna add the soap. We're both gonna add soap, so he's gonna add the soap to the brick and the fireplace. That is a fireplace, right? I don't know why I'm having a mind freeze thoughts. I don't know, everything. It's Monday, okay? So he's gonna put soap on that, on all the brick, and I'm gonna put soap on the house. A lot of stuff came off of that, so he's just rinsing this down so it doesn't look so bad when we leave. Okay, so an update, I put away the green hose that we were using because we're all done putting the soap on the brick and the fireplace. Adrian is putting the soap on this side of the house now. I put the soap on the front, so I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the driveway right here because it gets really dirty. I want to clean just the house and the brick. I gotta leave this presentable so when they come out it looks really good. Alright, I just finished with the brick. I found another one of those weird things in here. Look at that. I don't know what that is. But a bunch of low spots, and I can I can't do much about it. Like one right there, this entire area is a low spot. Low spot right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. All this over here is a low spot. Right there is a low spot. This is a lot of low spots, so I'm gonna let it dry a bit, let all the water perforate. Is that how they say it? Perforate towards the bottom. And then if I still see any stuff, I'll see if I either blow it with the blower or if I could just quickly rinse it off. I'm gonna go ahead and start to rinse this side. Fireplace came out really nice though. Look at that gray, the gray stone right there was really black and green. It's super clean now. Yeah, this is a super low spot. Look at this huge puddle. Man, and that's only that I rinsed this side so far. I still have to rinse this entire wall. This is not good. And it's all going there and piling up there. I don't like this. Trying to see what I could do. I'm gonna have to take out the pump. Adrian, you think I should take out the pump? Yeah. Dang it. Alright. Alright, I got everything set up. The pump right there, and I'm running it just down the lawn. It's just water, so it's not gonna do anything. Here we go. Alright, let's continue rinsing. Oh, I forgot I turned off my pressure washer. Alright, let's bring it over here. And I'm gonna go start my pressure washer. It's definitely helping. It just sucks having to stop rinsing and do this. I'm just gonna get this little bit right here, turn it off because I don't want it to run dry. And then I'm gonna keep rinsing and then I'll suck it up again. That's probably why it was so dirty here, because it can never dry up that good and moss and algae just form up. Oh, these low spots. Look at that. Look at that and that. And it sucks too because it's like the current is so strong that it's taking these out. Like I haven't even touched that. That's all from the water that comes down and just carries it out. Alright, I think we're done here. Some of that stuff just has to dry. I'm gonna get a broom actually and just push some of that stuff back. Yeah, we're all done. Yeah, like this. I don't want to keep pushing water on it. I'm gonna go get a broom. Yeah, we're all done. Alrighty, we're sweeping. That's the only way I could think of that wouldn't make another puddle. Oh gosh, I don't know if I like that actually. Ah, it's fine. It's a tad better. Yeah, I think it looks better. That's a low spot. That's a low spot.
Bro, look.
What? It's clogged.
I know.
Stop spraying them.
I'm literally not even...
Take the pressure out then. Don't do that. Just take the pressure out. All of it. It's gonna keep going. You gotta take all the pressure out.
I'm trying to find out where...
If it doesn't work, we have a new one in the back of the... We can just throw that one away after this. Alrighty, we just finished. I'm about to do the walk around. I'll show you guys how everything turned out. Everything's nice and clean. The brick came out really nice. Again, it's just a bunch of low spots, but it's clean. Adrian already did the spot check on the brick. But yeah, look at that. It came out super clean. Over here, I should have brought a towel. Actually, I'm gonna go get a towel. Let's go get a towel first. Okay, back where we left off. The door is drying really good, and the windows, the glass. I already took off the tape right here. Yeah, everything looks really good. Look at that. All good. Wow, there's even low spots on the concrete. Low spot, low spot. All of that is a low spot. That's crazy. Yeah, everything came out nice and clean. Looks really good. Let's check around the side. Hopefully there's no dry spots on this side, because this side is where the sun's hitting the most, so it doesn't let it evaporate. Yep, there's a dry spot right there. You guys see that? I need water. Alright, that's good. Alright, that looks good. Over here, I don't expect any dry spots in the back, but you never know. Looks good, looks good, looks good. It looks good. Let's go up there and check it out. Oh, is that a dry spot or is it still wet? It's still wet, but it's gonna wipe it just in case. Glass came out really good. Yep, glass came out really good. Looks good, looks good. What is that? It's not coming up. I don't know what that is. It's not coming up. That looks really good. Nice. I'll just get off all the tape. Check out how the brick came out. Looks really good. Oh, my shadow's in the way. Let me stand on this side. Alright, there we go. Some parts are still wet, some parts are dry, but if you guys remember, there was a big spot right here. Yeah, everything came out really nice and clean. It's really good. I'm trying to get my shadow out. All this came out really clean too. I gotta put the hose back. Oh, there's some artillery fungus on here. There's one, there's some. Again, you guys, I can pick at it and it's gonna leave. See, I got it right here and it leaves the stain. Pick at it, leaves the stain. Again, pick at it, and leaves the stain. So I'll let her know that she's got a little bit. She doesn't have a lot. Feels a little bit though. I pushed everything off with the broom and I think it looks good. Over here, oh, these two came out really good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up. This is all done. Okay, we're all done. I just finished doing the walk around with the customer. There was only one spot that I missed. I went ahead and I wiped it down. She was really happy and she really liked how the brick came out. And she even said that she's gonna call us back in the spring so we can do her wood deck. So that's great. Now we're gonna go eat. It's one of Adrian's last jobs because he's gonna go back to school. It's gonna be his senior year, so I'm gonna go ahead and take him out to eat. Not really take him out to eat. We'll probably just get it on the go. We're all dirty, we smell, and I'm sure he wants to go home, shower. We'll see what we go eat. Actually, what do you want to eat?
Culver's.
Bruh, we had that last time.
Okay, it's good.
Oh my god. All right, so we're gonna go get Culver's again. All right, so we got our food. I got a, I can't even open it. I got a spicy something sandwich. I don't know what it was called. Cheese curds. If you go to Culver's, you can't not order the cheese curds. What'd you get, Adrian?
I got a double patty cheeseburger, some fries.
So Adrian's going back to high school. When do you start?
On Wednesday.
He starts on Wednesday, so that means I'm gonna go back to being solo, which sucks because it's a lot of work. I do want to hire somebody like full-time plus Adrian in the summer or whenever he can help me. I just don't know how to do it, but I don't know. I guess I have to talk to my accountant and ask him a couple questions and do some more research, but I do want to hire somebody for help. This is Adrian's senior year, so that means that next year he's off to college, and I'm gonna help him through that. We're gonna go do some college tours. First he's gonna go do community college, because you all know first 2 years of college are all the same everywhere. It's just money wise it's gonna be different. So he's gonna do community college. I did community college too, and then I transferred out. You excited about college?
Kinda not really.
Yeah, so I think Tuesday or Wednesday, because we have a job on Monday. Tuesday or Wednesday we'll go check out a community college that he's probably gonna go to. Just Tuesday or maybe Monday afternoon, I don't know, we'll see. We'll go check out the community college so he knows everything. Now I'll just get him to start to know like what's gonna happen and stuff like that, and then he wants to transfer out to the college in the city, so I'll get him like a form that says like what classes he'll have to take in order to transfer out to that college that he wants to go to in the city. Monday we have a building wash. It's like a partial building wash. It's not the entire building, and it's just like spots. Again, right now it's in the slow season because everyone's going back to school, and I feel like everyone's busy with that, which I understand. I would wait too. Like if my daughters went to school, I'd probably be put some things to the side. So I understand. But then after that, in a week or two, it should spike up again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. I was up to 80 subscribers this morning, so that's awesome. That's fantastic. Almost to 100. I can't wait to get to 100. It's gonna be amazing. But yeah, thanks for everything. Thanks for the great comments. I don't get a lot of comments, but the comments that I do get are all positive, so thank you guys for all that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But yeah, we're out. Peace. I always get him when he's eating. Yeah. I swear it's always when he's eating.
Always.
Say peace out, bro.
Peace.
Peace.